Finally, the Nova 8700 Folding Commode, a model that's been around in medical supply catalogs for a while and keeps popping up for good reason. The 8700 is the archetypal folding commode, adjustable steel frame, padded armrests on certain variants, a 7.5 QT bucket with lid and splash guard, and the flexibility to be used bedside or over a toilet. I found multiple retailers listing the Nova 8700 in the $70 to $110 range depending on sale and vendor. One commonly cited retail price is around $99.95. Sale pricing varies. Nova's folding design and reputation for a compact folded profile make it a favorite for households that need portability plus a recognizable brand. What stands out in customer feedback is the combination of practical portability and straightforward build quality. Customers like that it's quick to fold, unfold, and that padding on the arms, if included, improves comfort. The 300 pounds capacity is fine for most users, and the option to buy it from many medical supply sites means return and warranty channels are generally reliable. Common criticisms are the same small list. Plastic seat comfort is basic. The fold mechanism requires careful locking for wobble-free use, and the standard seat opening size may be smaller than some prefer. Overall, though, reviewers classify the Nova 8700 as a dependable mid-range commode that balances cost, portability, and long-term durability pretty well. Pros: trusted brand, easy folding, good feature set, bucket plus lid plus splash guard plus padded arms variants. Cons: not the plushest seat comfort, and small chances of wobble if not locked correctly. In short, a widely used, sensible choice, especially when you want something that's easy to store and trustworthy from medical suppliers. We share by links in the description box.